just some of my little pocket knives. I have more than this. That first one here is called the Ranger. I've got a camper with the exact same implements on there. Then we have the Explorer. That's my everyday carry right now. The Swiss Champ, or Champion, one or the other. It used to be my everyday carry, but that's pretty heavy. And I believe this may be called the Woodsman because it has the saw besides the other implements. All those are Victorinoxes. Here we have, what is that? Is a, come on, focus please, you never focus for me. That is a Boker camping knife. Got that can opener, the old style can opener. That's cool, man, I like that. This one is a K-bar. Now this Boker K-bar and this one I bought at flea markets. I love these old camping knives. Anytime I see one, I grab it, man. That's K-bar. See there? This one is Ulster or something like that. That is a, actually that's a Boy Scout knife. I bought it at the flea market. Love them Boy Scout knives. I'm fixing to, we've got a Boy Scout shop here in Corpus Christi, and I'm gonna go buy me a brand new one. This one here is carbon stainless. Carbon steel, I'm sorry. This is carbon steel, and this is carbon steel. And of course, all your Victorinoxes, as we all know, are made of stainless. If you guys have a little small collection of pocket knives, like I said, I've got more, and I'll make another video of the other ones that I have. But I'd love to see y'all's pocket knives. These are so awesome. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.